Alright, so this is just a quick update on what's been happening behind the scenes. I've been playing a lot of Counselor Kanguru. Our videos in this series serves to show the public what's actually going on in these courts. With our last video requesting y'all's help to write in and express your public perception on Judge Maslin's bias so we can disqualify him. See here, we attached our videos and y'all's winning comments from the community page to be presented as exhibits. Of course, the Honorable Judge Maslin denies this. Do you see here in his order where he says he reviewed the videos? Huh. How does it feel to be forcibly suppressed, Judge Maslin? That's funny. It didn't seem to bother you that much when you were doing it to me. So not only did he deny the disqualification, but that same day he ordered that my trial be held August 9th, with my discovery to be finished by 23rd July. This is my time to gather evidence to bolster my defense, which he subversively granted by limiting to half of the time that I was asking for, which the Attorney General even agreed to. In his own order, he cites that the Attorney General agrees to my 90-day extension, but Maslin halves that, and I quote, so that the trial may continue on schedule. This is less time than my dismissed defense attorney was paid to sit on it.
Hey, why are you still picking on the Tony, huh?
On top of that, after 7 months of zero court movement, my federal racketeering case kicks up out of nowhere, with extreme artificial deadlines initiated by the judge, so I had to drop it.
What? I'm just upholding your Sixth Amendment right to a speedy trial.
And on top of that, the Attorney General just motioned to suppress all my evidence, not only from the channel, but of the blanket out-of-jurisdiction warrant she used to wipe my phone's location data showing it walk out of evidence, along with the court-admissible forensics proving it did. This was the basis for my whole defense, and with Judge Maslin presiding, whom previously forcibly ignored 4 cases of malpractice submitted to the court record, how do you think he's gonna rule on this suppression of evidence?
The pursuit of justice.
I invested a vast amount of time and resources producing these videos and retrieving the forensics from my cell phone. And now, weeks before the trial, it's gonna get suppressed and the jury's not gonna be allowed to see it.
Yes, agreed. Just us.
Okay, enough with the bads. Let me give you some goods.
I just want a little lick. Can I, a little bite? Just, oh my goodness, the whole thing. He's just gonna do the whole thing.
We caught the Attorney General withholding exculpable evidence.
CCTV video from the lobby no longer exists because the videos are maintained for 30 days. We are well beyond that 30-day mark. Further, CCTV footage available from the lobby was provided to you on May 17th.
Hold on. If I was arrested January 8th, how am I getting video of this sent to me May 17th? Now, I got my lawyer wig on, not my mathematician wig. But by my count, that's way more than 30 days. That's especially concerning since this video was not included in the original discovery packet that was provided to me on March 9th. So, who is holding on to the exculpable evidence? And why? Brady v. Maryland and the rule of professional misconduct requires prosecutors to automatically disclose material exculpable evidence in the government's possession to the defense. So I actually call her out on this, mentioning the time discrepancy and questioning why and how this evidence was withheld. If you remember from some of my previous vids that show her directing my attorney to waive my rights, she likes to conduct her misconduct privately. See where she instructs my attorney to call her on the phone to fix this off the record? Being the gentleman that I am, I invite her over to discuss this over coffee. I actually roast my own, and I've recently perfected doTERRA Estate Sweet Yellow. It's a really chocolatey Brazilian. And what kind of a host would I be if I didn't offer accoutrement? See, me and Dog just found a 20-pound haul of chicken of the woods. Sharing is caring. I'm still waiting on an answer, which invites a continuance. Yes! That's exactly what we needed. More time! I actually wrote this up really well and attached it down below in the comments to an Imager link if you want to see it. I actually got to cite this coffee exchange and submit it to the record. With just weeks away from the trial, we can't afford to put all of our eggs in one basket. This is where I have to stop and say thank you to my fans for writing in with your ideas. It only took 300 to unite the free world at Thermopylae.
So with y'all's help, I filed an appeal to the Superior Court for Maslin's denial of disqualification, and a stay on all proceedings until that appeal is decided.
Okay, that buys us time, but delaying tactics won't directly win us the battle. We need to draw some blood, and the judicial misconduct we've collected on the way in our case is the easiest target to take a stab at.
Get it? Stab? They hid my stabbing?
So what I did was fill out a judicial complaint form, touching on a lot of the misconduct and citing it where they can find it on the court record. So no need to attach anything. Now this is where I need my 300. I linked the complaint form down below in the comments and on my community page. Anybody can file this pre-filled out complaint form. Just click on the link, it'll bring you to Imager, hit the 3 dots at the top right of the document, and print both pages.
Then just snail mail it into the address listed at the top. This form is ready to go. No need to ID if you don't want to, and don't worry about the attorney info.
I told you guys, we've been quiet because we've had a lot going on with this powdered wig. But I still need your help, Spartans. Print out and mail that complaint form. It could very well disbar the former Pennsylvania Inspector General and the Deputy Attorney General. See if you have friends that want to help out in their disbarment, and post it up on your online community for anybody to participate in. Again, it only took 300 to unite the free world at Thermopylae. I need your help, Spartans.